So there are a few things that you need to know or be aware of if you want to start a YouTube channel this year. So if you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel but have been on the fence, here are 5 things that I can share with you of what I've learned having been on YouTube for about 4 years, posting consistently almost every week. But keep watching as we dive into all of those details in today's video. So I actually started my channel in 2012, and in the beginning it was completely private. It was just a place for me to put my own recordings or own videos of events that I did for church and other things. And it was just a place for me to put unlisted links so that I could share with people. So I kind of consider myself a shy person, an introvert. I am not very comfortable in front of people that I do not know. And I did not post my first official YouTube video with me talking to the camera till 2019. So that was about 7 years after I started my YouTube channel. A lot of people told me that I should, just because I had so much knowledge and because I had a passion for video making, but it was that shyness that kind of drew me back. But I'm glad I did it. I definitely learned lots. I'm still shy, I'm still an introvert, but I'm definitely more comfortable in front of the camera. So here are 5 things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel this year. And I found myself a pretty cool angle right here. So it is a marathon. So I currently have 500 videos on my YouTube channel. A lot of them are YouTube Shorts, but I do have over 200 long-form videos. And that just means that since end of 2019, I've been able to consistently post one long-form video almost every week. I did miss a few weeks here and there, but the key has been to be consistent. YouTube is a very long game, and if you don't recognize that from the very beginning, it may get very discouraging very quickly, especially when you're starting the channel, because you're not going to be getting any views early on. So even after you're able to monetize your YouTube channel and are able to get a consistent income out of it, if you do not want that to stop, you still have to continue making videos. It's like a game that just never ends. So it is a marathon, and because of that, you have to really enjoy the content that you're going to be making. You are not going to get rich quick. Even just getting into the YouTube Partner Program for me took me about 11 months of consistent posting on YouTube. There are a lot of requirements that you have to fulfill to get into the YouTube Partner Program. You have to fulfill all of that before you can even start to make money from AdSense. And although the amount of money you get from AdSense is nice, it's not going to make you rich overnight. It may cover certain bills, but yeah. And even after you get monetized, the amount that you get from AdSense might feel that it's not worth the effort that you put in. So after I got monetized, I was getting about $20 or $30 a month, which isn't much. And now I get about 150 or 300 bucks a month. Every month is different, and that really depends on how many views I get. All this to say that AdSense is not going to let you make a living off of YouTube. It will be helping you pay off some bills or helping you put in some of that money and invest in your own channel. But that's to give you an idea of that is how much you can get when you're starting off. And as you continue to grow, there is potential for YouTube to become a more substantial source of income for you and even become your full-time gig. But success on the platform is not going to happen overnight, and you're not going to get rich overnight. Even if one of your videos, it's like a few million views, that one video is not going to make you rich. You still are going to have to put in the work and continue making videos. So there is a lot of potential on YouTube, but you do have to put in the work. Pick a niche. You may be tempted to just post videos about anything and not really have a strategy, but that is going to bite you back. And it's good to come up with a niche or a subtopic that you're interested in or that you may be passionate about, because since this is a long game, you have to really enjoy the content and the videos that you'll be making. Identify what is it that you're passionate about, something that you can create content for the long term. For example, my niche is about photography, filmmaking, gear review for those purposes, video editing, and photo editing. And if that's something that you're interested in and you're watching this video already, it would be greatly appreciated if you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And a little side note, let me know what you think about me holding a little mic over here. Seems to be a trend. I personally do not really like it. I like to have it on the lav or just hide my mic, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Holding our mic or no? Let me know. And identifying a niche early on, it's going to help you strategize and have a clearer focus, but don't be afraid to change things up and to try different things. And as you grow, you can tweak stuff and pivot, but always have a meaning and an intention and be thoughtful about the type of content that you want to put out. Be willing to experiment. In the beginning, it's good to experiment to see what kind of videos your audience will resonate with. You can experiment with different types of video formats, video lengths, how to title your videos, what kind of thumbnails your potential audience will resonate with, and it's all part of the journey and it's all part of what you think will benefit your own channel. So the fun part about YouTube when you're growing, you're fairly new, is that you can try and experiment with different things, different video ideas, and see how they perform. And depending on what does well or what doesn't, you're able to get a better sense of what your viewers are going to like. Leverage YouTube Shorts, but don't let it be your main focus, at least in my opinion. With the introduction of YouTube Shorts, there is more opportunity to grow organically very fast early on. You can get more YouTube views faster and just have more people subscribe to your channel. But personally, in my humble opinion, and you may disagree with this, if you do, let me know in the comments below. I personally think that YouTube Shorts do not necessarily build community, or at least it's harder to do so. I think viewers from Shorts may subscribe to your one video that they see, but they may never ever come back and watch a long form video from you. And I have made a video talking about this very topic in much more detail, so I'll leave a link in the description below, or you can probably hit this link over here, but keep watching this one before you head over there. And because YouTube Shorts are short, I feel that they are very difficult, or make it very difficult for you to make a connection with your viewers. Whereas in a long form video, more of your personality shines through, and it also feels like you're talking directly to that viewer and giving that audience, whoever's watching, more of an opportunity to build that rapport and connection with you. That being said, I still think that YouTube Shorts can be part of your strategy, but overall, I think long form is the name of the game here on YouTube. So anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope that today's video encourages you to start a YouTube channel while still being grounded on the reality of what it takes to be on YouTube. And if you have recently started a YouTube channel or you already have one, please drop it in the comments below and I'll try to leave a comment in one of your latest videos. I'll probably do it for maybe the first 20 people who put their channel in the comments below, and I'll check them out. And if you're still watching, here are a couple of videos that you can watch next, and I'll see you there.